Hello, my name is Kylie Wilson, and I live here in Abilene, Texas. I really started to get photography my junior year of high school. I was in yearbook throughout high school, all 4 years. So I guess my junior year, I just really started to spark an interest into it. The reason I chose this major is because I love to capture the moment, and there is a lot you can do with photography. You just, any idea is a great idea, and I'm such a creative person that it was perfect. It's almost like a calling, I guess you could say. My interests include cooking and motivational speaking about dyslexia. Just so y'all know, I have severe dyslexia, dysgraphia, and dyscalculia. And so, dysgraphia is a condition where the letters move really fast on a white piece of paper. So if you guys ever see me wearing these blue sunglasses on an online discussion, it's so I can read and so I can see better. So, my hobbies include dancing, baking, and photography, obviously. I have little experience in digital technology. I've made one video, and that was when I went to Disney with my grandparents. But, I wanted to take a college course for photography so that way I knew what I was doing and I know what I was talking about, because I wanted to be successful in what I was going to do for the rest of my life. And so, yeah, that's all from me. So.